BRC Fallow Deer is opening their box from Cat's Claws. Are you excited to see what's inside?
Yep.
All right.
Wow.
We're gonna. It's Cat's Claw stuff. Ready?
No.
A hat for Dad.
No, this is my hat.
Your hat?
Yeah, mine.
Okay, just a minute.
And
All right, so here's the real exciting part, right?
Yeah.
These are the cat's claws.
What do we do?
You know what those are for?
What?
It is to hold our wire onto our fence posts
That's
so we
right.
can build and fix fence. How cool is that?
So.
And there are a couple kinds. So we have the hardwood and plastics kind right here. And then there's the, ready Eve?
Here.
The soft woods for cedar, pine, and spruce.
Mine.
Yeah? And then just some claws that we can use with some self-tappers for steel.
Oh,
And a couple more boxes. Oop, this is yours, right? Black with black there. And just a minute. Just a minute. Let's get all of these out one at a time, right? More cat's claws for softwoods.
So, thank you for joining us on BRC Fallow Deer YouTube.com. Please can we see you next week for more YouTube on BRCFallowDeer.com.
That's right.
See you next week.
All right, now it's time for us to go get some fencing done, right?
Yep.
Let's go fix some fence.
Cut.
Have you ever tried cat's claws? If you want to give them a try, you can order from the link in the description and use the promo code BRC Fallow to get free shipping. Cat's Claws is a small family-owned and operated business in Montana that is dedicated to revolutionizing the installation and maintenance of fencing systems so that you can get your projects done easily and quickly with more reliable results. And we believe their product does just that.